We have some very important updates to talk about, as well as opening a few trade, looking at the market. So with that said, we got a new microphone. Let me know what you think of the volume down below. But with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop, and the first thing first, we see here that the graphs over on Ethereum and all of the others are really going down. Now, why? Because we all know what is happening with Israel, Iran, Trump, and all of that. What is my take on it? Well, I'm no financial advisor, but if you want to trade, come over to ZoomX. The link is down below. There is no KYC. Everybody can trade without any problem. There is also a $30 bonus for all of you that join now. Good time to trade, in my opinion, but I'm no financial advisor. What are my takes? I will go long. Why? It has gone down from 2,670 all the way down to 2,470, so $200 with a 6% decline. Yes, it can go even lower. Why? Because we cannot control what these people decide to do with their life and decide to do here and there. We are just puppets of this show. But in the hope that there's going to be some good news, I will long. As we see here, I will buy a 10x long 3000 over on Ethereum. Come and trade with me on ZoomX, links down below, especially Bitcoin. It's just gone parabolically down. I will go on Bitcoin a bit more. 4000 over on Bitcoin with a 10x long, as well as Solana, which has been hit quite at 7%. So I'm buying it at a 7% discount for a little bit $2,800 long. So this is my take. We are already a little bit in profit both on Bitcoin and Solana, but it because of this money goes up and down quite quickly. Link down below. Come and trade me. $30 for all of you. No KYC. The best exchange in my opinion to go and trade. But of course, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what I do with my money. So and with my account right here. So do not follow me if you do not feel comfort with it. But I also call all of my calls over on Telegram. Free to join. Link down below. Talking about my airdrop situation and what's your airdrop situation. As you see from the title, we can go and claim 7 different airdrops. Well, first of all, we got the Nansen Point Season 1 is now live. They just announced their point programs, a multi-season loyalty program to reward their community members. You can earn point by subscribing to Pioneer Pro, staking with Nansen, referring paid users, and completing milestone. It is a referral link. If you want to support me, I'll leave it down below. I don't suggest it is referring paid users, particularly no free users. Not a fan of it. There should be an option for both paid and not, but clearly they do not do it. And here we have their official announcement as well. So I will leave the link down below. Make sure to go and check it if you want. If you don't want to sign up, I don't think you're missing out on a lot, but I will leave it nonetheless the link down below. Next up, we have the Ink Foundation is launching their Ink token to unify its DeFi ecosystem, which is very nice. We have been trading on Ink and we have been bridging in and out of Ink with different protocols such as Jumper, such as Hyperlane back in the days. So we have interacted with it. If you did follow my course, we got 1 billion fixed supply, launching a liquidity protocol powered by Aave. So also potentially Aave users or stakers or liquidity provider will benefit from this airdrop. Early users of the liquidity protocol users will be rewarded. Ink is not tied to Ink L2 governance, and the airdrop for the Ink L2 users is not yet confirmed, but it could be very interesting to go and see how it is. This is the Ink Foundation page, as we see right here, officially by them, also followed by them. This is the official page, and this is the tweet, the Ink Foundation to launch an Ink token to power the future of on-chain capital. So let's go and see how this works. But yet, they have not done anything. Here we go. To reward early users, Ink token will be distributed to participants of liquidity protocol throughout an airdrop. The Ink Foundation will be using industry best practices for cyber deterrence in the effort to limit airdrop farming and maximize the fairness of the distribution. So I will leave the link once it goes out, how you're able to go and do, how to provide liquidity and all of them goodies to go and position yourself if you do have liquidity to go and inject it into the system and grab your position for the airdrop, which is going to be really, really nice in my opinion. We then have the Spark airdrop claim is now live. You can go to the link down below. It has already started on the possibility to trade. I'm not eligible. Once you go here, simply check your address over here. You can enter it manually or simply go and connect your MetaMask wallet or whichever other wallet that you have connected to it and go and check it. I personally checked already. I'm not eligible, so I'm not gonna waste your time with it, but go and check yours. I will leave you the link down below. Next up, as we see over here, we have 7 different airdrops to go and check, so we're gonna go and do that together. First one is Bondex. The BDXN airdrop claim is now live. Connect your Phantom, your Ledger, connect your wallet. You will have it right here. You can claim, and the connected wallet is not eligible for the airdrop, so make sure to go and check yourself if you're eligible, and if you are, you will see it right here. Next up, we have the Subnet airdrop. The claim window opens for 2 weeks. It closes on June 18th. So tomorrow, click over here, connect your wallet, whichever one you want, and go and check it. Not eligible for it either, but just go, you do it. You got 1 day left. Next up, we have the NodeGo Foundation. This one is also an airdrop that we did not talk about much in the past. We can go and connect either our MetaMask, our Phantom, or Pontem. It does look like a Solana ecosystem. Wallet eligibility, and let me know if you're eligible down below. Next up, we have the Resolve airdrop, which once again, we've seen it a couple of weeks ago. I'm not able to open the page due to my location, but you can go and claim it through the link down below. We have the Huma airdrop over on Solana. Connect your wallet, check your MetaMask or your Phantom. We'll suggest your Phantom. And here we have it not eligible. If you are eligible, make sure to go and trade it. Make sure to go and claim it and sell it or stake it, up to you. We also have, as we see here, the other airdrop, which is the Sophon airdrop, which I didn't know I was eligible for it. So make sure to go and check if you ever went and did a bridge to ZK Sync in and out. I am eligible for it simply because I bridge. I'm a ZK power user, ZK Sync power users. I simply bridge in and out of ZK Sync to be eligible for this one. So if you want to check, make sure to go and check it as well for yourself. And lastly, we got the Garage Foundation, which I am not eligible for it. But make sure to go and check. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different airdrops to go and claim for you. And important updates over on the Nansen points, and as well as on the Inc. future airdrop, which is going to be good in my opinion. Talking about once again the trade, it is a difficult moment to go and trade. It's risky. You can either be rewarded or you can lose your funds. So if you do it, make sure to do it calmly, make sure to do it safely. Don't go heads in, don't follow me if I say long or short. Do not do that. Make sure you know what you're doing, do your due diligence, do your research. This is anyways a demo account, so these funds are not real. This is a demo account which I'm trying to grow, but nonetheless, make sure to participate, make sure to go and do it if you want. The link will be down below. Over on Zumex, as I said, no KYC. This is why I like it. It's really nice. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, and we'll see you all in the next one. Ciao guys.